Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check the signal strength on your Tether app for TP-Link RE190. So in order to do that, we'll need to select the device that we want to check the signal strength. Now find Tools, from here go for the Location Assistant, click on it and select Check Signal. So now, after a bit of waiting, we'll be seeing the result, which is perfect signal for me. Your extenders there is in a great location. We can press check again if we want to make sure. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.